Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established in 1959. Here we have a 22 reg BMW X1 sDrive, self-parking, diamond cut alloys, remote central locking, keyless starting, rear parking sensors, opening panoramic roof, this denotes self-parking if the sensor is on the side of the vehicle. Heated leather seats, Isofix front seat, have your handbook in here. Isofix rear seat, two USB-Cs here. X1 sDrive 2 litre I. Electronic tailgate. Power outlet here. Inflation kit there. Locking wheel nut key there. Always make sure you've got a locking wheel nut key. Push this to shut the tailgate. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat, auto wipers, you see here, auto wipers, auto lights, heated seats, different drive modes here, handbrake, automatic, got this pocket here with a power outlet here, you can shut this if you don't want it, a USB here, this pocket, handy pocket to store stuff, opening panoramic roof, you can tilt it just as well if you wish, and you can shut the blinds. The blind will shut all the way. Does shut all the way. Illuminated vanity mirrors, both sides. Vehicle's done 32,730 miles. Speed limiter, cruise control. Satellite nav, sat nav. You can move these about where you wish, you can change them around there. So radio. So you go to here. Immediate. Go on here. DAB.
Boiler brands.
DAB radio. You've got front and rear sensors, as you can see. This here, that's the self-parking, so you'd put that. Now the vehicle, when you find somewhere, it will park for you. That's clever. Clever the way it works. This is a stop-start. You can turn this off if the engine stop-starts for you. Tiptronics, you can drive manually with these if you wish. Turn the vehicle off. This is your collision avoidance system. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give us a call.